Yeah, Father God, and me again in a Father God. I fought to make you know, say, yo, big up yourself, you know, my G. I had the real king, you know, my God. Street meeting at 2 weeks from now, in a Father God. And Father God, they must say, they want me to do the opening prayer. They want me to do the Lord's prayer, you know, Father God. So, Father God, right now, I'm just a fought to make you know, say, yo, I want you to hear the prayer, and I go pray, you know, Father God. And make me know if it govern, you see me? And Father God, you know, so I'm not going to do the English thing, you know that thing that got already. Because we are in the street, you know, Father God, so I'm going to talk like how I know how to talk. Because some people in church sometimes I watch you and make you feel like, so yeah, if you chat proper English and all them things, Father God, I know about that, you know. I know about that. So Father God, I'm just like a talk it how I talk it. So Father God, I hear about the prayer, and I know if it govern, you see me? Oh, Father, who for art there heaven, all a point be.
Something alright? Something alright, yeah?
Hold on there, all a point. You know, I say, Father God, you know, say, pastor wife, they give me a paper of the prayer, you know. But Father God, they want to know, say, my heart, I want to talk from, you know, I don't want to read from no paper, I make no man feel like, say, boy, I done, sir, nothing, you know, I want to talk from my heart, you see me? But Father God, I want to get it right, so I'm just going to use up the paper right now. Oh, Father, who for art in heaven, hallowed be thy. But Father God, all means say it empty, don't, but you're not empty, Father God. Father God, you're full. You're full of life and all them something, Father God. And you give me health and strength every day, you know, Father God. So I now say, hallowed, you see me? I'm going to say, right there, so I'm going to say, big up yourself. Big up your name, as a matter of fact, Father God. Big up your name. Your kingdom forward, Father God. I'm not call a word, you know, Father God.
Yeah, trouble there, you boy.
Father God, in the street, I go there with the chop them, you know, Father God. I can't call a word, Father God. Can't go back in a scheme with a word, Father God. So I just have to say, yo, your kingdom forward, you see me? And your will I go be done on earth, right down here saying the Gideon, Father God, upon the streets, as it is up at heaven, you see me? Forward out this day, our daily bread. Father God, I'm tired of your bread, you know? Nah, like to you, Father God, we're tired of your bread and the butter. You see me, the quarter bread and the butter, Father God, we're tired of it. Me a pre-progress, you know, Father God, so me I go say right there, so. Me I go say, forward out this day. You see me, with daily lobster and chicken and them thing there. You see me, the snapper them and the sprat and them thing there. You see me, and Father God, you forgive us, you know, for the trespasses them, you see me?
Oh my God!
All I trespass them, we deal with them thing there. Alright, say so. As we forgive those we trespass against we. Yo, when you thought they owe me about 10 grand, you know, Father God. A long time, man, have money in my hand, you know. I just can't change my life, you know, Father God. I'm not go for the youth, you know, Father God. Why you forgiving me, you know, Father God? And Father God, me know say, no, go do this, you know, Father God. But don't leave me in temptation, Father God. Cause me say the last time me forward, you know, Father God, I only put bag out the road can grab, you know. But Father God, the next part of the woman, them, you know. Father God, me want make you know, so me see a nice little brownie forward in the church for the Father God. Oh, the brownie look for me, I look for her, be a giggle, she a giggle, you know, Father God. And so me know that she check for you, you know, Father God, put in a word for me, Father God. Cause right, you know, my youth, them in the future, if you have like a color, you know. Them can't black like it hard on you, so Father God. And Father God, me doing your delivery from evil, you know, me I call even the government, you know, Father God. The government and the Babylon, you know, Father God. Where you watch the youth, them out here dead. You see me? And I do all sorts of things to see the youth, them dead and I help you, them in the street, them evil, Father God. So Father God, delivery from the government and the bad chap, them out there, where I shot down the people, them. And I rob the old people, them and them things, Father God. I hear a kingdom in a Father God. I hear power in a Father God. I hear glory, you know. I'm going to say forever and forever. Seal it off, Father God. Seal.